Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into the Drill Brush Power Scrubber by Useful Products. Now let me tell you, if you're serious about keeping your car interior squeaky clean, this kit is an absolute game changer. First off, let's talk about versatility. This kit comes with 3 different brushes, each serving a specific purpose. The bullet-shaped upholstery brush is perfect for tackling those stubborn stains on seats and floor mats. It's like having a professional car seat cleaner right at your fingertips. Then, there's the 2-inch long nylon brush, ideal for getting into tight spots where dirt loves to hide. And let's not forget about the 4-inch flat brush, which leaves windows streak-free and sparkling. But what really sets this kit apart is its effectiveness. These brushes aren't just for show, they mean business. The bristles are tough on grime but gentle on surfaces, ensuring that your car gets a thorough cleaning without any damage. And because they attach to your drill, you can say goodbye to endless scrubbing by hand. It's a real time saver, let me tell you. And let's talk about durability. These brushes are built to last. Made from high-quality steel with stainless steel handles, they can handle even the toughest cleaning jobs without wearing out. Plus, Drill Brush offers a 90-day no-questions-asked return policy, so you can buy with confidence knowing that your satisfaction is guaranteed. So, if you're tired of spending hours scrubbing your car interior with little to show for it, do yourself a favor and invest in the Drill Brush Power Scrubber. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. That's it for today's video, folks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.